In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to file your ITR-1 online under the new tax regime. How to file ITR-1 online in 2025 new tax regime. For salaried individuals with salary, one house property and other incomes including LTCG up to 1.25 lakhs rupees. Who can file ITR-1? You can use ITR-1 if you are an ordinary resident individual (ROR). Your total income is up to 50 lakhs rupees. You have income from salary or pension, one house property, other sources like bank interest, dividends, etc., agricultural income up to 5,000 rupees. New in assessment year 2025 to 26. You can also report LTCG up to 1.25 lakh rupees from sale of specified securities. How to file ITR-1 step-by-step online guide. Visit www.incometax.gov.in. Step 1. Log in to the income tax portal. Click on Login. Enter your PAN, Aadhaar, and password. Step 2. Start your return. Go to E-File, then Income Tax Returns, and select File Income Tax Return. Select Assessment Year 2025 to 26. Online mode. Click Continue. Step 3. Choose Return Type. Click Start New Filing. Select Status. Then choose Individual. Click Continue. Choose ITR-1. Click Proceed with ITR-1. Then let's get started. Tip: keep documents ready. Form 16, interest certificates, rent receipts, and capital gain statements. Step 4. Select reason for filing. A new web page will show the following sections: personal information, gross total income, total deductions, tax paid, verify your tax liability details. Section 1. Personal information. Verify name, date of birth, PAN, contact, and address details. Select nature of employment. Section 1. 39(1). Tax regime, yes or no to new regime. New tax regime is the default. You can switch it in the personal information section. Check bank accounts. All active accounts between 1st April 2024 and 31st March 2025 should be reported. Section 2. Gross total income. Shows income from salary or pension. Autofilled from Form 16. Gross salary. Less. Exempt under Section 10. Relief under Section 89A. Less. Standard deduction. One house property, self-occupied or rented. Report interest on housing loan under Section 24B along with loan details. Other sources: interest from savings, fixed deposits, bonds, dividends, income from SGBs, etc. LTCG under Section 1(12)(a). Report sale value and cost of acquisition if LTCG from listed shares or mutual funds is less than or equal to 1.25 lakhs rupees. Tip: cross-check pre-filled values with Form 16, AIS, Form 26 AS, and your actual records. Reporting exempt income. Examples include PPF maturity, EPF withdrawal, and life insurance proceeds. Go to Exempt Income. For reporting purpose, click Add Another. Select the type, enter the amount, then click Save. Section 3. Total deductions, limited under new regime. Section 80 CCD2. Employers' NPS contribution up to 14% of basic salary for government employees. Section 80 CCH. Contribution to Agniveer Corpus Fund for Agniveer only. Other deductions are not applicable under the new tax regime. Section 4. Taxes paid. Auto-filled from Form 26 AS and AIS. Includes TDS on salary, Form 16, TDS on other income, Form 16A. Advance tax. Self-assessment tax. Cross-check for mismatches to avoid notices. Section 5. Tax computation. The portal auto-calculates total taxable income, tax payable, tax already paid, refund or demand if any. Review everything carefully before final submission. Step 5. Verify your return. You must verify ITR within 30 days of submission. Methods: Aadhaar OTP, net banking, digital signature certificate, also called DSC, send signed ITRV to CPC, Bengaluru, electronic verification code EVC. You will get confirmation via SMS and email once it's successfully filed and verified. What's next? The Income Tax Department will process your return and send an intimation under Section 143(1) in your email or SMS after processing.